Click on the balance option at the left side of the screen. If you already have some money or balance in your Stripe account, you may then see this payout button and you want to click on it to withdraw your money. A little tab will then appear and you may see the available balance that you can withdraw to your bank account and start to insert how much money do you want to do a payout or transfer to your bank account. You may add some note and then click on the payout button. And there you go. You already withdraw the money from the Stripe to your bank account. You can also manage your payout to be sent automatically, like on daily basis or monthly basis, by clicking on the Manage Payouts button over here and choose the Manage Payout Schedule button to manage your payouts on Stripe. If you choose to be only manual, your payout will not be withdrawn automatically, but rather you have to do it manually like we just did before. But if you choose on automatic, your money in the Stripe account will be transferred to you automatically either every day, every week, or every month. You may select the one you prefer the most. And after that, click on the Done button. You are then good to go. If you still have any questions, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.